Let's take a moment to talk about opportunity. Many people in this world see an opportunity in front of them, and sometimes they don't see the opportunity in front of them. But the point is that whether they see it or they don't see it, they still take the same action. They don't believe that they should take that chance. They don't believe that they should see this investment through. And it's all because of fear of what's uncertain. Everybody wants to know exactly what's going to happen. But if you think about it, in life, you don't know what's going to happen. Anything could literally come around the corner and smack you in the face. You could be driving all happy one day, and then all of a sudden somebody T-bones you, right? Anything could happen in this world. So to try and make sure that you can predict everything is insane. Now, granted, you want to try and make sure your kids are safe and your family's safe and that you're eating healthy to an extent. But when it comes to investment opportunities, you have to find what works for you and be able to put money aside for some of those opportunities. XRP is going to make me a boatload of money. And the reason why it's going to be able to make me a boatload of money is because I seized the opportunity. Now, I still think that it's going to make people a lot of money. It's just they're in a different stage if you are buying now versus when you were buying when I was buying, or even a different stage when people are buying at $3, right? So when you look at this, it's going to make me a lot of money. It may make a person that invested earlier a boatload of money. And it may make people that bought right now or bought in at the highest level a boatload of money. It just all depends on what they're going to do with that position, how much research they've done into it, how much they believe in the price above where they bought it. That's the simple way of looking at it. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys could check out my links down below for Patreon, feel free to check it out, as well as for Twitter. Over on Patreon, I'm creating a Crypto 101 kind of course in a way, just so that you guys can get a sense of how to get started in crypto. I'm getting a lot of questions about that. So if you go over to collections on my page and go over to Crypto 101 for beginners, it should show you to be able to get this entire collection. Let me know how this is structured, because I'm not sure if it's $50 for the entire thing and then you would get all access to it, or what can make it easier is if you already are a member, a $20 member, you can access all of these anyways. So feel free to either become a member or just buy the collection and just be a part of it, because we're going to be producing a lot of videos on how to get started trading in crypto, especially if you are a beginner. Also, if you want to check out my link for DFlow, feel free to check out my link for that. It honestly is a fantastic platform that I've been able to utilize. I'm not logged in right now, but DFlow will give you the ability to leverage trade at a 40x leverage. You can also do high risk trading as well as trade outright. It honestly is a really, really good platform. So check out that link down below and get started. They are giving away a car at the moment, so you might want to be a part of that, especially with it being early stages for an exchange in a way. So feel free to check it out. Link is at the top of the description, and my Patreon is down there as well. Now, for what we want to talk about is XRP. XRP saw a little bit of a gain recently. And again, we're really talking about the opportunity behind it and becoming an XRP millionaire. XRP sits at $2.44. In all time, it's up $41,455. This is what I mean by opportunity. There are people that invested in the beginning stages of this. There are people that held on while it was at 17 cents. There are people that bought in at 30 cents. There are people that went all in at the lowest possible levels. You investing $1 into that turned it into a decent amount of money, a huge gain. You investing $100, $1,000 into other levels, you made so much money out of this. Now, granted, when people see these levels of gains, right, they tend to make moves maybe prematurely for them, Or maybe it's not prematurely, right? You're looking at a decent size gain or a huge gain from this point all the way up to $4. So it makes sense for someone to go, all right, I'm going to sell everything that I own. However, if you continue to hold on, continue to believe in it, continue to see the adoption, you continue to see more and more opportunity for the future. So the person that bought in 17 cents, 50% of a penny, you guys are experiencing the largest amount of opportunity that you could possibly have. Now, just because we're at a high point doesn't mean that you miss out on what this opportunity is, what the growth can be for this position. Because as you do your research, as you believe in it, don't worry about anybody else that tells you this is not going to be worth anything, right? Don't worry about anybody else. It's like this is going to zero and they've done no research on it, or they have done a ton of research and they just don't want to see it. Don't worry about that. Whatever you believe in, that's what makes it a strong investment. Don't let people talk you out of what you own. So it sits with $5.6 billion worth of volume. There's many people that said this wouldn't get to $100 billion. There's many people that said this wouldn't even get to a $50 billion market cap again. Well, it did. And it got to 75. And it got to 100. And it got to 125. It got to 150. It got to 175. It damn near got to a $200 billion market cap. While people were still telling me that it would not be worth anything and it would never get past $1. This is what I call taking advantage of that opportunity. I hold, and I'll tell you, I hold 210,000 XRP. And the reason is because I was able to buy 100,000 when it was at 50 cents. I also wanted to take advantage of the opportunity while it was at $1 something. So I bought in another 100,000. XRP, in the end, as we see XRP continue to grow, even just get to $5, I will be an XRP millionaire. I will be an XRP millionaire. Why? Because I've been able to take advantage of buying it at a lower level and see that flourish even to the smallest levels, right? $5, $10. Now, when you start to get into higher levels, $100, right? Maybe even $1,000, that's where you start seeing even further growth, right? Tens of millions of dollars that you could potentially have. So no matter what the situation is, to the lowest levels that it gets to for these highs, I will be an XRP millionaire. Now the question is, will you? Did you take the opportunity? Did you take advantage of the opportunity that was in front of you? Because again, many people will see a ton of things that come across their desk. It could be a job opportunity, but they're like, I'm too scared, right? I don't want to change what I have. It could be, a new investment or a new collectible item. It could be somebody telling you, hey, you should look into gold. They didn't say buy it. They didn't say spend all your money on it or you should invest into it. They said look into it. That's the opportunity that you want. Nobody that's demanding you to buy something, but giving you the opportunity to think about it. If I tell you you could have a side hustle and you could be making so much more money, as well as you could be making money from saving money, you taking that opportunity to actually save money and to actually make more money is making your life and your situation better. Opportunity is everything. It's all around us. You wake up in the morning and you go to a 9 to 5 or you go to your job, you have a ton of opportunity during that day. When you come home from there, you can either relax or you can do what you love and find a way to monetize that or make money from that. There's opportunity all around us. And I'm just letting you know, XRP was one of my opportunities. I've taken advantage of many of them. And I've been able to profit from many of them. And I'm going to continue to profit from many of them. So I'm excited for altcoin season. I'm excited for XRP to grow. And I want to know, did you take advantage of XRP while it was at a lower level? Do you see the huge opportunity? Are you going to be an XRP millionaire? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And also, Make sure you check out that link down below for DFlow if you guys are interested in an exchange that you can do a 40x leverage on. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.